Tsvangirai's vision should be followed. In response to fresh headache for MDC Alliance, former MDC-T Deputy President Thokhozani Khupe's argument had some elements of selfishness towards the personalities such as MDC Alliance spokesperson, Welshman Ncube, and Tendai Biti because their presence posed a threat to her political ascendancy to power. If she really had a serious case, how about her wanting to join hands with National People's Party leader Joyce Mujuru? How many people does she have? The late MDC-T President Morgan Tsvangirai was spot on by giving its partners what they were worth and demanding that they produce the results as per agreement. More partners are joining, and that's the rationale that will be used to accommodate other newcomers.